Hello everyone and namaste. Welcome to my channel Cooking with Siri. My name is Shiri. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video, share it, and you can comment it as well. Also don't forget to hit the bell icon. Today I'm going to make a sandwich, a really tasty and delicious sandwich, and it is in Indian style as well. So let's start. See the ingredient first. Here I have 2 slices of brown bread, and you can use a white bread, whatever you like, and then chutney, chutney. So you can see a green chutney how to make it in my videos. So some cheese and cucumber and onion and tomato and green pepper and some light butter and tomato ketchup and some black pepper. So now we're gonna spread the butter in the bread like this. This, and I'm going to use green chutney. So I'm going to spread green chutney in one slice of bread. And I'm going to use tomato ketchup in the other slice of bread. Now I'm going to add all the salad, cucumber, and some onion, and some tomato, and some green bell pepper, okay. Now I'm going to add cheese on top of it like this, and here we go, the last slice of bread on top of it. Isn't it looks really good? So now I'm gonna cut this in half. Wow, it really looks tasty. Here you can see. Hello everyone, namaste. My name is Siri. Welcome to my channel Cooking with Siri. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, like it and share it, and you can comment it as well. Also don't forget to hit the bell icon. Today I'm going to make a really tasty and delicious sandwich. So let's start. First of all, let's see the ingredients. Here I have 2 slice of brown bread, but you can use white as well, whichever you like, and salt. And this is green chutney. If you want to know how to make a green chutney, you can watch my videos. And I got some cheese and cucumber, onion and tomato and green bell pepper and black pepper and tomato ketchup, and this is butter. So let's start. First of all, I'm going to spread the butter on the bread. Here. And then I'm going to spread green chutney. This. And I'm going to put tomato ketchup in the other slice of bread here. Okay, I'm going to spread it. Like this. And now I'm going to put salads. First cucumber, and then I'm going to put onion, slice of onion, and then tomato. And then green pepper. So now I'm going to add black pepper on top of it. And then a pinch of salt. And then I'm going to add cheese. Here's the cheese, slice of cheese, and here's the last piece of bread on top of the cheese. It looks like this. This is really tasty and yummy snacks. I'm going to show you. Like this. Here you go. What you see. Hope you enjoyed watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to like my video and share it, and you can comment it as well. And as well as don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you for your time. See you next time. Bye bye.